How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. How do? Another lovely glorious day in the UK Riviera. Today I am doing away with the bottom of this, because I don't like how tight these are. Some of them won't even come out. That one, look. So I'm doing away. So, well, just taking this board off, give it a bit. I think what it is, when I've stapled it down in every single one, it's got too tight, obviously. But I glued it as well. It's going to be fun. Well, what a pig that were. Yeah. That's how it is. Bloody good stuff is that glue I showed you the other day. Right, what I'm going to do now is get these staples out. I'm going to have a brew. Because one of my neighbours in Talbot bed yet, and she's 80 odd. I don't want to get a machine on this and, you know, bit of respect like that. Well, according to DX Freight, I've got a delivery today, so hopefully it'll be the board. And George, it'll become apparent. You know what I'm on about. Hey! Oh, a piece missing. Oh, it's stuck on board, look. Well, I managed to get it all off. What a pig it were. I put 2 strengtheners at bottom. I've tried it with lats in and everything's fine. Right, I'm just... right, George, you're going to find out now how they're going to open. There, hinges. It's going to open up. Right, so what I'll do now is put these hinges on and I'm going to cover this in carpet. It'll look absolutely beautiful. In fact, I'm not going to carpet this yet. I'm going to do it after. When I unpack the board, you can sit on carpet, can't it, and then it don't get damaged because it's faced on both sides. What I'll do is put this in now, offer it in, put lats in, and measure where I need to cut the lats, because I'm going to have to cut the lats, where to put the batten, and obviously cut the board. Right. put supports on her on the sides. And I put those strengtheners underneath, and they're right to end. Calm down, Paul. Right, it's all sat on nicely. I won't screw up yet. I won't screw up yet because, like I say, I want to put that carpet on. Right, I need to measure now. It's got to be exact this. The distance from the bottom level with this, but the board will sit a little bit higher, but not a lot. It's the width of the knocking trim. Yeah, so it's a case to get the board unpacked. Another roof first. Get the board unpacked, measure this exactly, and this is a bit I've been dreading, to be honest. 140 quid a sheet. Oh, I'll tell you what. You know this ply that I've used? Bought 2 sheets of it Monday or Tuesday, and they were 13 quid a sheet. £13 a sheet. This board's come and it's got a piece of ply at either end protecting it. Could I use that? I'm fucking gutted. Oh. Yeah, so if it had come on a Monday like it was supposed to do, I'd have thought, oh, real this. I'll just save myself some money. Hey, dear me. Right, just to rub salt in the wound. When I said about me buying 2 sheets of ply and this board, which is that, that's what I'm using, it's protected on one side and the other. You won't believe what they've used to protect it. I've got a good mind to take mine off and put this on. Look at that. It's a full sheet. It's I forgot what they call it now. This is what I was going to do the van in. I can't believe it. Oh. If I had somewhere to store this, I would, and take it to Whittingham. Someone would use it. You know, in June. I can't believe it. And not only that though, look at this one they've used for underneath. Oh, hang on, I can't. Look. Look at that. Oh, I'm gutted. I am really gutted. If I'd have got this Monday, could have put that on the wall, proper stuff, instead of wallpaper. Oh, I'm so pissed off. I'm not pissed off, I'm gonna have a brew. Oh. I forgot to turn camera on. I've cut the piece out for in front of the bed area. I routed it out and I put the knocking trim all the way around. Somehow, I don't know what's happened there. Right, I haven't a clue. So weird. Something wrong with my router. Looks really weird what's happened. Right, I'm going to try and offer it up. I've got to measure first. What it is, one end's bigger than the other for some reason. So it is that way like that. Can't weigh that up while that's happening like that. Piss me off. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Right, what I need to do now is I'll do. It's just going to go in. Right, what I have to do now is I need to, obviously one of these is going to be attached to this, yeah, which will be underneath these, which these will be fixed to, so when you pull it out it pulls them all out. So what I'll have to do is put one of these underneath. Right, what I need to do, you see, is these need cut into length. That's going to be there like that, but not right over there. So I think the easiest way is going to be to screw this. Yeah, I'll tell you that. Screw this to that. It's going to be the easiest way. Yeah. And then cut these to that length of this. Right. I'll show you what I'm thinking of doing. This button here is going to be attached to this board. These are going to be cut down in line with that, you know, with a button, and screwed to it. This is going to be screwed and glued to the board. Right. I could do it all in situ. No, I couldn't. I'm being stupid. I couldn't screw it, could I? Right, anyway. Yeah, let's do that anyway. Let's get these cut to right lengths. My mate Ollie's here. Say hello, Ollie.
Hello.
Hello. now is cut them.
Oh.
Right, that's on. Ollie's put them on now. Now what we're going to have to do is cut all these to the length of that.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, that's right. Even I'm getting mistaken. You know about that?
Well.
It's only a midget. Right, let's get these cut.